Let's talk about some cases out there in the gun world. What's up, Wolverines, and welcome back to your case update on John Crump News. My name is John Crump. I'm an investigative journalist that keeps an eye on two-way cases and also the agencies that want to violate your rights. I need you to do me a big favor: like, comment, and subscribe. It means the world to me. And today we are being sponsored by all of you wonderful people. So go ahead and go to johncrump.locals.com and help me make these videos. Today we're going to be talking about a bunch of cases that are going on around the country. We're going to be starting out with the rare breed cases because they have been suing everyone over their patent. They're suing Big Daddy Unlimited and they are suing Thomas Graves. None of those cases are anywhere close to being solved. So they keep on marching on. I'm not going to say too much about that because I'm kind of bored with that. But there is the rare breed case out of North Dakota where they are suing Garland over the ATF trying to say that they are making a machine gun and trying to fight back against any type of cease and desist letter. That case is still going on. If you don't know, the ATF is claiming that rare breed doesn't have jurisdiction in North Dakota because they are not actually located there and they just moved there to be able to sue in a friendly court. Therefore, they don't have standing. Rare Breed has responded with a bunch of evidence saying that they are located in North Dakota there, and they do have standing to sue the ATF in North Dakota. The ATF has not responded to that one, so that is something that we need to watch. And then you have the Antioch case in New York, which is Antioch versus Bruin. That's the GOA case challenging the Concealed Carry Improvement Act. Stephen Stambolier is one of the attorneys in the case, and he filed for a temporary restraining order against the CCIA, the Concealed Carry Improvement Act. And by the time this video drops, that might actually be issued or denied. We will have to see. TROs are usually issued pretty fast, so we should know either by the time this video drops or shortly thereafter. So keep an eye on the channel to see if I drop another video, or maybe I already dropped a video. We will just have to see. And then after that, that's not the only case GOA is involved with. They are involved with the Morehouse case, which is in North Dakota, and it is challenging the frame and receiver rule. The district judge ruled against GOA, but they have appealed to the circuit court, which I hope they win. Also, we have a couple FPC SAF cases. Basically, Firearms Policy Coalition and the Second Amendment Foundation have been teaming up for a lot of cases. And in California, they teamed up with Defense Distributed to sue Bonta over their rule banning ghost gunners, basically, and a bunch of other precursor parts. And also, they have a law where if you lose any part of a case, you have to pay back the state for the money that it costs to bring the case and the money that the state spent on litigating the case. Even if you only lose one little part and you win everything else, let's say there's 20 parts and you win 19 and you lose one. According to the law, you still owe the state money. So they are suing over that too. That's Defense Distributed, Firearms Policy Coalition, and the Second Amendment Foundation, and that is in California. But that's not the only case FPC and SAF have brought. They have Boron versus Bruin, which is out in New York. And just like the Bonta case, who was served, the Boron case, which is also challenging the CCIA, it's a very narrow path in challenging the CCIA. It's challenging certain parts of the sensitive area thing. Bruin has been served in that as well. So 2 FPC SAF cases that they've served the person Banta in California, and Bruin in New York. So Kevin Bruin was served there. There's also what's known as Bruin 2, which is the New York State Pistol Rifle Association versus Bruin, and that is also challenging the CCIA. And unlike the FPC SAF case, which is in the Western District, this one is in the Northern District, the same district that the GOA case is in. Unfortunately, in this case, they had a bad draw of the judges, and they have Drew an Obama appointee. So I don't have very much hope for that one. And the SAF case is very narrowly tailored. So I'm really, really hoping that if any of these cases succeed, it's the GOA case, because that would gut the CCIA and basically the whole law would be vanished. So let's go GOA, I guess. All right, guys, that is it for today. Stay ever vigilant, stay ever free, keeping the fight. I am out of here. Wolverine's mother.